Need precision measurements at a better price? Meet Techni-Pro True RMS Multimeters. Whether testing lines out in a field, a board on a control panel, or a component at your desk in the lab, a multimeter is one of the first tools we reach for to quickly verify proper functionality. With Techni-Pro meters, get trusted accuracy at a fraction of the cost of premium brands. Have more control and get more data. Easily navigate through menus with soft keys and track trends in real time. Combined with a high-resolution display and durable construction, your Techni-Pro Multimeter will be your newest best friend. Make all essential measurements with extreme accuracy using true RMS meters that are built to withstand the rigors of demanding electrical environments. Unlike standard meters, a true RMS multimeter measures all signal types, giving you accurate readings in any scenario. From high-voltage systems to microamps, Techni-Pro keeps you safe and precise. Let's see it in action. Measuring DC voltage, we see 5-digit accuracy, stable readings, and instant updates. You can quickly verify resistor values or track inrush current with max capture. Log trend data for deeper insights and no guesswork. While all the instruments in the Techni-Pro family offer the standard measurement parameters seen on every multimeter, each model supports different ranges of those parameters. For example, while the TNP-388 supports up to 1,000 volts and 10 amps, the TNP-477 clamp meter can handle 1,000 volts and up to 3,000 amps. Test high power safely with no direct contact needed, whether it's out in a solar field or inside a car. Not only is it often impossible to probe in series on a high power system, but it can also be extremely dangerous. Wrapping the clamp or flex probe around a test source rather than directly probing on it eliminates the possibility of catastrophic events. You can also go wireless with the TNP-388. Log, analyze, and share data using Bluetooth connectivity with Techni-Pro's mobile app. With a well-thought-out, rugged design and all the accessories you could need included, you can trust Techni-Pro for the accuracy needed for demanding industry requirements. Get precision and reliability at a better price. Shop Techni-Pro at testequity.com.